Hi guys, this is Miraj in Nepal with my Pajero 1997, and I'm making this video to show you guys how I fixed the water leakage at the passenger side. The water leakage has been there for a long time, and the place where I took to fix it, they were not able to fix it. Um, and it's taking such a long time, so I said, okay, I'm gonna fix it by myself. And in order to be able to diagnose, I took the seat out, the front passenger seat and the middle row seat out, and then took all the carpets out. The carpet was wet, and it was a very bad smell inside. Yeah, and then what I did was I sprayed the water in this area, and then I could see the water seeping inside through this area, through the air vent. But this area is covered, and you can't reach your hand there. So to be able to see it more clearly and work on that area to repair, I had to cut this part using a grinder, and that's what I did. So I cut it open, and then again, you see the drain here. I stuffed the drain with piece of cloth, so I could fill the water in here. So I fill the water. As I fill the water in there, I could see the water was getting into the cabin through the vent, and the leakage spot was at the left bottom corner of the air vent. So once it was clear, I cleaned it, primed it, and sprayed a bit of paint, and then used this windshield silicone to paste and seal the spot, the leakage spot. Since the leakage spot was very in a difficult spot to reach the hand, I had to use the extra nozzle, two nozzle, so it can go down there. Although I used two nozzles, it was a bit difficult because it was in a curvy area. So I also had to use a bit of stick to get that spot through this drain, and it's done. And I've tested water again, and it's not leaking yet. It's not leaking anymore. I'm gonna show you a bit more closely what has been done, so it's gonna be probably easier for you to work on with if you have the same problem. You see this spot here, this is where the air vent is, and underneath it's a rotor motor. I took the rotor motor out as well, so I could be able to I would be able to see the things more clearly, you know. So the leakage was from here, this spot, and since this is a very difficult spot, I couldn't seal it very clean, but it's sealed and it's working. So what I'm gonna do next is just put it back, put this metal piece back, and seal it with silicone, and this part's gonna be all right. And there was also leakage at the driver's side, which I fixed it last time already, but I didn't make a video. But I'm gonna explain it to you now how I fixed that. That was also a bit of time to diagnose. I had to do it many times to be able to see where the leakage spot was. actually in that side there, this area here where there are three or four scenes um, um, connecting. That was the spot. They had put some what do you call that, putty, and that was the spot where he was leaking from, in that side, in driver's side. Yeah, so I cleaned that putty again, primed it, sprayed a bit of paint, and then sealed that spot with the same silicone that I have. And then driver's side is also now what do you call that, leak proof. Now what's left is this spot is to be sealed, and I have also water leakage from the roof area. I'm gonna diagnose a bit. I already cleaned the drain. There are two drains, one at the left and one at the front. When it's heavy rain, actually this sunroof has been sealed by someone before, and sealed very badly with very hard glue. So I can't remove it out from there. It cannot be opened, although, and when sometimes when it rains very hard, I think the rain comes here, and then what do you call that, on the track, maybe this was clogged, and then it flows inside from the track. So I think it's gonna be okay since I cleaned the drain. It's not gonna be a problem. It was only one time when it leaked. Anyway, this is how it looks from inside. If you wanna remove the what do you call that, the top part of this one, that corner there and this corner here, they have got two clips, one to the side, one to the top, two clips. Those are main part of dismantle process. You know, if you can dismantle those two plastic clips at the sides, then the rest it's easy to know what needs to be dismantled or taken out. And this is it, guys, and enjoy your repair work, and greetings from Nepal.